Hello guys, this is Caleb Omani from Mafundi TV. We are back. We went for holiday season and now we are open. So from today onwards until further notice, maybe another holiday season, that is when maybe we'll be off. But we are open from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and from Monday to Saturday. So on Sunday, those who are asking about Sunday, as we told you earlier, you will not lack somebody who can actually serve you. So thank you so much. And today we are addressing two things. One, we want to address our fellow service provider, that is a professional artisan, our fellow fundis, our guys in the construction. That is maybe you are an engineer, you are an architecture, and the services, the type of services you are providing, maybe that is from structural drawing. You are a structural engineer, you are a site manager, you are a contractor, maybe you are a foreman, yeah. You are a subcontractor. That is, subcontractors, they are diverse. So from maybe the guys who are doing roofing, we have contractors who are doing roofing specifically. We have contractors who are doing structure itself, that is in terms of masonry, plastering, yeah, and then flooring, and that type of service. We have some contractors who are actually dealing with the fabrication, grills, doors, steel doors, and so much more related to the fabrication. Yeah, we have some contractors who are dealing mainly for finishing, and in finishing it is a very, very huge topic, a very huge area. Yeah, it is diversified in a different section. We have people who are dealing with paints, people who are dealing with interior decors, that is designed for gypsums. Yeah, we have curtains, people who are dealing with the finishing, the kitchen wardrobes. We have kitchen tops, that is marbles, granite, sinks. We have contractors in that area. That is a big area also in construction, that is plumbing. So plumbers, they have a very huge job, because they begin with the house until the finishing. Yeah. So plumbers also, the guys who are in plumbing, we have several. Yeah, we have several service provider, good guys, people who know what they are doing, quality job, quality outcome, the service assurance they are also able to offer. Yeah, we have guys who are doing electricity, that is, who are dealing with electricity from the drop. Yeah, they can facilitate from drop until the whole appliances, yeah, wiring and so on. Yeah, there is some contractors who actually we are working with them, and they are not one or two, there are several. So we are combining the workforce from different service provider, so that we can actually meet the target, yeah, the target of market demand, and also execution, yeah, also to meet the timelines of our clients, and also have a great outcome. We have guys who are actually dealing with the moldings. Yeah, molding is also a diverse thing, and we have good people who have agreed to work with us as Mafundi TV. So the Mafundi TV fraternity is a huge body that has come up with professionals in the field of construction, actually who are willing to showcase what they are good at. The people who are actually doing marvelous in construction, those who are not actually able to showcase what they are doing in various areas, but we have given them the platform to come together to solve the problems that we face as a universal fundis, to actually share ideas in the same construction. Yeah, so it is a diverse group. There is nobody, and this one I am assuring you, there is nobody you can actually ask in Mafundi TV that is not actually there. If there is none, that means in that construction area, there is actually a deficit that we are looking for somebody who can actually fill in that gap. Because here we have received some inquiries from people who are doing escalator, lifts, from very big companies that are providing the same, because we are going to do it in a very huge way, and we are universal. This is not an individual company. It is not an individual company. It is a company that it is diverse. We are working with people from different ethnicity, Christianity, political affiliation, any gender, from any nationality. We are willing to share, to tackle, to engage in every aspect. Because here I have engaged so many engineers. I have written also the same to the Engineers Board of Kenya. I have actually also written a good letter to our body here, the guys the Architectural Board of Kenya, and we are actually engaging with powerful contributors in the field of construction. Yeah. So Mafundi TV is not a small thing. It is a diverse thing. It is a big thing, and it is happening. Yeah. It is not a dream. It is happening. Yeah. So people, maybe you may think, how is it that we always see an individual, a host? Yeah. The host. I am the host, because we cannot be all of us in the office. Yeah, we cannot be all of us in different sections. So people are on site, and that's why our slogan here, we say sisi tuko kwa site. So that is where we engage. Yeah, and so far we have actually worked in various cities, various places, different areas, different environment. Yeah, we have been in in Tatu City. Yeah, and even right now there is several construction going on over there. I know when you are following this video, there is a lot of video that we have actually showcased in our YouTube channel, that are showing different people, different designs, different in any category, whether it is a cabro, whether it is in interior, whether it is in cladding, whether it is in fabrication, roofing, tile laying, and so on. And we have so many people are still pumping in. Yeah, we have landscaping guys are here. We have so many of them. We are some people who are actually specifically they are dealing with fountain. They are good modelers in fountain modeling. So we have so many people. There is no, that's why I told you, there is no service. Maybe you can inquire with us that we will lack somebody who can actually provide professional advice, professional job, professional service that can be lacking. So we have everybody. So because in construction, it is a diverse thing. Big, it is a big thing. Yeah, because right now we are actually going in deep. Yeah, because we are linking up with the government bodies that are dealing with construction, government bodies that are dealing with the devolution, ministries in a different section, like a ministry of mining and tourism. Also, we are actually we are going to partner with them, God willing. It is in process. We have this ministry of land. We have a ministry of roads, transport. Yeah, we are actually working with them. There is a ministry of devolution also. So in devolution, it is a big thing. It is in national. It is developed in national and also in counties. So you will be finding us in different counties, different wards, different constituencies. So we will be everywhere. That means we are going to be in Kenya everywhere. So that means Mafundi, they are always everywhere. So because when I ask you as my viewer or as my follower, at how many fundis do you know, you will actually give me several fundis. Yeah. So and Mafundi, we need to come together. We need to come together, as we have been having a meeting this morning with my fellow guys from Kiambu. There's guys who came from Thika, guys who came from Kamulu. The other guys came from Kitengela. There is other guys who came from Ngong. So we had a very good group, and also in Nairobi region, outskirts, we had some guys. So we had a good meeting, and we were talking about the future of fundis in this nation. Yeah, you find it is the only occupation in Kenya where people, they don't have guarantee of their future. They don't have a guarantee. The guarantee, that means you don't have a pension. Yeah, you don't have a security of your future. So that means if we don't come up with a good thing that we can actually rely on, we will suffer in the future. Yeah. So we are having something. There is a conversation going around, and actually the conversation is between fundi to fundi. Yeah, we need to come up with something unique that will change not only in Kenya, that will change the whole continent. Yeah, because I have linked with several sister companies in South Africa. We have connected with sister companies in Nigeria. We have another company from Egypt, and we are still talking to them. And we need to reach everywhere. Yeah, those are only 3-4 countries that we are coming together. And you find people who are outside, they understand what we are doing here in Kenya much more than our brother and sister who are within in Kenya. So it is good. It is high time. As the year has begun, it is high time we engage. If you are a fundi, you are doing maybe gypsum, you are doing maybe cadro, plaster, plumbing, it is high time we package ourselves well. We package ourselves very well. There is a lot of things are going on. So when we are talking about Mafundi TV, that means it is not a simple thing. Yeah. So those who are asking about these guys, where have you been? Maybe where have you worked before? We have worked. I have told you first. We have worked in Tatu City, and Tatu City is a big city. We have Kijani Ridge, Yeah, we have worked there. We have worked at Deikyo. You know Deikyo there at along Thika Road. We have Runda. We have another estate. There is that is there along Kiambu Road. That is Mushroom. Yeah, it is a big. It's a big also a big estate. In Utawala. Utawala is a big one, because Utawala, it is there in Kidunguri is there. Airways is there. And you see that at the upper side of Utawala, this side of Mihango, yeah. So all of those areas, we have been in Karen, we have worked there, several houses, several designs, several estates in Karen area, yeah. Konda City, another bigger, that is a giant also in Africa. Konda City is a giant contribution. It is developing at a very rapid set. Yeah, so we need our fundis. When you find an opportunity to work in either estate, go there well packaged. Yeah, and we are saying, as Mafundi TV, we are actually going to package our fundi. The knowledge that you have, the skills that you acquire, we need to package them that can be easily sellable, easily you need to be flexible in either area, so that you can actually benefit in your skills. Yeah, we have been in Mudaiga. There is there North Mudaiga. We have worked there. There is a lot of houses that we have done, molding, claddings, roofing, cabros, and so much more. We have another estate in along Mombasa Road. That is a Greenview. Yeah, we have worked there. So many houses. So, and that is within Nairobi outskirts. Kitengela. If you name of Kitengela, that is from Koroboi. In Koroboi, if you come to Saitoti area, if you go to Chuna Estate, yeah, we have this Mlimani everywhere, yeah. And I am advising my fellow fundis, these I am beseeching you. When you find an opportunity, do it your best. Give your best. You will thank me later. Give your best and leave the rest to God. Because the job that we are doing, it is actually for referral purposes. Yeah? So that we can generate a continuous working schedule for you. Yeah? So our offices is open. We are located at Maroroi, as we told you, we are at Maroroi, and our office is a big office. It's handling more than 37 to 45 different service providers in every finishing category. So that you may ask what that means. That means if you are guys who are dealing with roofing, you have your section. If you have the guys who are doing molding, they have their section. If the guys who are doing plumbing, they have their section. If the guys who are doing they are electricians, they have their section. So there is no more matching up and down of this service provision. We have actually sorted out if the professionals in this area, they are doing specific job. Maybe you are doing gypsum, you are in a specific area. If you are doing maybe cabro, you have a specific area. as well as the service provider, the suppliers and the dealers. If you are dealing with the tanks, you have your section. If you are dealing with the stone, that is cladding stones, you have your section. Yeah, so that we can actually be easy to engage with the customers who are actually requiring these services according to the need at hand. Yeah, so our social media handles, as you know, on Facebook, Mafundi TV Kenya. Follow us, give us a like, comment in our inbox. You can actually engage. If you are asking about our numbers are there. Yeah, on Facebook, that is our name, Mafundi TV Kenya. So and on YouTube the same, Mafundi TV Kenya. TikTok at Mafundi TV Kenya. There is another one for that is Instagram, Mafundi_TV Kenya. Yeah, and so on. So that is what we were addressing as number one. And number two, it is about the clients. And our client, we love you so much, because if not you, we could not be where we are today. And we are glad that you have recognized Mafundi TV, because this is the only area or the only group where you can actually seek any service and you cannot go without. And that one is only found at Mafundi TV Kenya. And we are assuring you quality of the outcome, quality of service, and as well as quality for your money. This is the only area, Mafundi TV, where you can actually entrust us with your job and can be executed whether you are present or absent. The outcome will be marvelous. So thank you so much, and we request you, our numbers are on, our offices are open. So God bless you so much as you purpose to also meet us. God bless you so much.